We are continuing to track a lot of movement in the tropics as we look into several active storm systems right now. And we want to give you a better look at just what we mean when we say active. This is the map spread out showing you all the active storm systems, and you can see they stretch all across the globe, made up of hurricanes, tropical storms, typhoons, and storms that could soon be upgraded. But let's go straight to the one posing the biggest risk to the most lives, and that, of course, is Hurricane Florence. More than 1.5 million people, 1.5 million people from the Carolinas to Virginia are now under mandatory evacuation. It's expected to make landfall tomorrow. We'll have a live report from North Carolina. But first, the impact you could be feeling here. Sydney?
I'm in the newsroom with reporter Wes Rappaport. And Wes, what we're finding out is that Hurricane Florence is impacting a lot more people than just on the East Coast. How are we finding out that's affecting people in Texas?
Yeah, well, there were a lot of folks, including one woman I talked to today, who said that she was supposed to be in the Carolinas for a wedding this weekend. And of course, Hurricane Florence had other ideas about that, so she asked for a refund or to reschedule the dates of her rental home or vacation home for those couple of days, 4 days that she was supposed to be there. And the property owner said, no, I'm not going to change any of you've agreed to the terms and we're not going to change anything. So that's obviously frustrating and I'm sure is impacting a lot of folks.
So who do you have calls out to right now?
Well, we've talked to this woman. We have also, turns out, the company that owns that specific rental service that she used is based here in Austin. So we wanted to ask them what is the situation in case of inclement weather and things like that. They were unavailable to talk to us for this specific story that we're putting together. So, but they did point us to some resources, and they do have some information on their website, which we'll share with you a bit later today.
What are we going to have coming up at 6?
Well, we're going to be talking about what is the situation and what can you do if the weather changes your travel plans, specifically relating to some of these short-term rental homes.
It's going to affect a lot of people. Wes Rappaport, thank you so much.